Hello student, my name is Anil. So here we are with a new video. In this video we will discuss our chapter metal and non-metal, and in this video we have the topic chemical properties of non-metal. Okay. In last video we discussed about chemical properties of metals, and here we will discuss chemical properties of non-metal. So the first property of non-metal, that non-metal react with oxygen to form non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide. Okay. And this non-metal oxide which is formed is acidic in nature. They are acidic in nature, or they can be neutral. Their behavior can be acidic or neutral. So let's discuss which are acidic and which are neutral oxides of non-metal. Take example of carbon. Carbon, when react with oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide have acidic character. Like this, we have sulfur. Sulfur, when react with oxygen, we get sulfur dioxide, and the sulfur dioxide is also have acidic character. And when this carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide react with water, or they dissolve in water, we get acid. See, carbon dioxide or SO2, when dissolved in water, they change into carbonic acid and sulfurous acid. Carbon dioxide will change into carbonic acid, sulfur dioxide will change into sulfurous acid. Okay. So this is the first chemical reaction, chemical property of non-metal. Now come to the second property of non-metal. Second, non-metal do not react with water. Even they do not react with steam to evolve hydrogen gas. Okay, and this is because non-metal cannot give electron to reduce the hydrogen ions of water into the hydrogen gas. Okay, this is the reason behind it. Now third, non-metal they do not react with dilute acid. ये दोनों केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज मेटल से बिल्कुल अपोजिट है. ओके, हम कह सकते हैं नॉन मेटल डू नॉट रिप्लेस hydrogen from acid. They cannot replace hydrogen from their acid, so they do not react with the acids. Non-metal do not react with the acids. So next property, the fourth property, that non-metal react with salt solutions to form another salt solution. इसको हम एक एग्जांपल से करेंगे. It is like a displacement reaction. Okay, this is a displacement reaction as we done in our metal property. Okay, इसमें क्या हुआ डिस्प्लेसमेंट में वही होता है कि एक मोर रिएक्टिव नॉन मेटल क्या करेगा, लेस रिएक्टिव नॉन मेटल को डिस्प्लेस करेगा फ्रॉम इट्स salt solution. For example, we have 2NaBr when react with, it's a salt, ये अपना एक salt है, and this is our non-metal. When react with sodium bromide, when react with chlorine gas, we get sodium chloride and bromine. So this is the fourth property of non-metal. Okay, then we have fifth chemical properties, that non-metal react with chlorine. They'll form covalent chlorides. For example, hydrogen is a non-metal and it reacts with chlorine gas to form HCl. So HCl have covalent bond, or it's a covalent chloride. Like this we have phosphorus, when react with chlorine we get phosphorus trichloride. Let's balance it. Okay. Now sixth property of non-metal react with hydrogen to form covalent hydride. मेटल्स क्लोराइड और हाइड्राइड के साथ मिलकर आयनिक क्लोराइड और आयनिक हाइड्राइड बनाते हैं. ऐसे ही नॉन मेटल्स की जो हाइड्राइड होंगी या क्लोराइड्स होंगी वो क्या होंगे, कोवेलेंट होंगे. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव हाइड्रोजन एंड sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal and we have react sulfur with hydrogen, then we get H2S, hydrogen sulfide. So this hydrogen sulfide have covalent hydride. It's a covalent hydride. Another example, we have nitrogen, and when it react with the hydrogen we have ammonia, NH3. Okay, let's balance this. So these are the 6 chemical property of non-metal, and on the basis of these chemical properties we can compare metals and non-metals. So this is all about chemical properties of non-metal.